श्रीमते रामानुजाय नमः। प्लवनाम संवत्सरे दक्षिणायने हेमन्तऋतो मार्गशिरमासे कृष्णपक्षे ಸ್ವಾತಿ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ದಶಮಿ ತಿಥಿ ಬುಧವಾರ. ಈ ದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। यस्य द्विरदवक्त्राद्याः पारिषद्या परश्शतं विघ्नं निघ्नन्ति सततं विश्वक्सेनं तमाश्रये। श्रीशैलेशदयापात्रं धीभक्त्यादिगुणार्णवं यतीन्द्रप्रवणं वन्दे रम्यजामातरं मुनिम्। हिमालयं समारभ्य यावत् हिन्दुसरोवरं तं देवनिर्मितं देशं हिन्दुस्थानं प्रचक्षते। Namaste and welcome you to the 14th day of Tirupavai Pravachanam. Yesterday we had seen where a Sakhi is so obsessed with her beauty, and not only that, she also expects Sri Krishna himself to come to her and approach her and praise her beauty. It's just that about Krishna Bhakti. புள்ளின்வாய் கீண்டானை பொல்லாரக்கனை கிள்ளிக் கிளந்தானை கீர்த்திமை பாடிப்போய் பிள்ளைகளெல்லாரும் பாவைக்களம் புக்கார் வெள்ளி எழுந்து வியாழம் உறங்கித்து புள்ளும் சிலம்பினகான் போதரிக் கண்ணினாய் குள்ளக் குளிரக் குடைந்து நீராடாதே பள்ளிக்கிடத்தீயோ பாவாய் நீ நன்னாளால் கள்ளம் தவிர்ந்து கலந்தேலோரெம்பாவாய். So, in yesterday's Pashuram, Tayar speaks about Bakasura, the one Rakshasa who came in the form of Pakshi, Baka, and Krishna so easily, just like tearing a piece of paper, he teared that Rakshasa out, and now we can see the Vaktravailakshanyam of Andal Tayar, where she jumps from Bhagavata Purana to Ramayana, where she says, Polla Arakkanai Killik Kilandanai Kirtimai Padippoi, where Ravana was killed just pinching and cutting out the bad edge out of a plant or a stem. Killi kilandanai kirtimai paadippoi velli elundu vyalamurangittu. From now it has been from Shukra to Guru, which means here the avasana of the darkness is going down, and Shukra, that means the goodness, the light of goodness is coming up. வெள்ளி எழுந்து வியாழம் முறங்கிட்டு கள்ளம் தவிர்ந்து கலந்தேலோரெம்பாவாய். Now it is a need of the hour that you just come out and join us for the Bhagavad Kainkarya and Parai Padelorempavai. She says Kalandelorempavai. You must come out and join us with the Andal Goshti for the Bhagavad Kainkarya. Let's see today's Pashuram. Today's Sakhi is a little more challenging. She is like elder in her age, more than all those other Sakhis, and she claims herself to be responsible. Let us see how Andal Tayar deals with this Sakhi today. உங்கள் புலக்கடை தோட்டத்து வாவியுள் செங்கல் நீர் வாய் நிகழ்ந்து ஆம்பல்வாய் கொம்பினகான். Sakhi, we have just arrived at your doorstep, and we are standing outside, and we can see உங்கள் புலக்கடை தோட்டத்து. There a big pond exists outside your home, and the lotuses have started blooming and flourishing out. At the same time, the night flowers such as water lily has started closing its petals due to the avasana of Chandra or the moon, and due to the Udaya or the rising up of Surya Deva, the lotuses are flourishing up. And Sakhi, Shengal நீர் வாய் நிகழ்ந்து ஆம்பல் வாய் கொம்பினகான். செங்கல் பொடிக்கூரை வெண்பல் தவத்தவர். Not just that. Shengan பொடிக்கூரை, those saffron robe dressed sannyasis and sannyasins, Brahmavadinyas, are out to perform their upasana in all the temples and mutts, and they are opening the doors, and it is beaming that it is early morning and you need to wake up before the sun. Keep the good temper of the Margali Nondu. Shengal பொடிக்கூரை வெண்பல் தவத்தவர், and we can see those sannyasis' teeth are shining white. It is very symbolically said that in those times, this has been close to 1800 years. So before that also, the Dantamarjanam, the vidya of cleaning the teeth and tongue, was one of the major, simple and first pratakriya which was taught by our ancestors to us, which we are following even date. Whereas some countries, if we see, they don't have the history of more than 400 years. Yengalai munnam எழுப்புவான் வாய்ப்பேஷும். Sakhi, yesterday when we were having a discussion, night before going to bed, you told us that you will come and wake us up. And where are you now? You are still slumbering over there. Nangai elundirai. Nangai means, oh senior girl, oh the experienced one, oh the leader of us. Now they are pulling the leg of this Sakhi. Wake up. Nangai elundirai. Nanadai. For this, there is a beautiful comparison or a reference. It is said, Visrajya lajjam yogite mannamani nirantaram kulakoti samayukto labhate mamakam padam. Lajja. That means the shyness. Okay? The shyness, you must get out of the shyness and come out for the Sankirtana. And lajja must definitely be there when something is taken as a responsibility and it is not done. Oh, then, so here they are asking, Nanadai. So now you must have some shame because you have told us that you will wake us up, but you haven't woken up. That's for that the gopi from inside voices that, why did you come out and stand in front of my door? You would have waited for me to come, and I would have come and woken you up. So now Andal Tayar understood that she is acting smart and she is very good at her Vakchaturya, her oratory skills. So Andal Tayar says, see, I know that you are very good in your speaking skills. It's good that now you stop wasting time and come out. Nanadai, naudayai. You have the tongue. Doesn't other does have tongue? Naudayai means the nak or nalige. So doesn't other have the tongue? Everyone has the tongue. But what should be done with the tongue? Narajanma bandaga nalige iruvaga krishnaya navarade. Dasa says, whenever we have the human life and when we know the sarthakyam of the human life, at least then we must chant and praise the Lord. Narajanma bandaga nalige iruvaga krishnaya navarade. Why don't you utter the name of Krishna. Navudayai Shangoda Shakkaram Yendum Tadakayyan, to do the stuti or praise the Lord Sarveshwaran. Shangoda Shakkaram Yendum Tadakayyan. Vanamali Gati Sharangi Shankhi Chakri Chandaki Shrimanarayano Vishnur Vasudevo Bhirakshatu. If we see, the same Shankhu and Chakra can be seen, the Shankhu and Chakra can be seen in two formats. Whenever the bad-minded people see the Shankhu and Chakra, the fears will raise in their hearts because of they are doing something bad. And at the same time, whenever the Bhakta Jana, Bhagavatas and Sadbhaktas, Sadbrahmanas see, then it will gain up the confidence. The Shankhu Chakra is the same, but how does that make the difference? This is how, when Upasana is done day by day, Neeratte Lorembavai, Kullam Kulirnda Neeratte. All these things is because of, one is the Sharira Shuddhi, next one is Manas Shuddhi. And this must be done. When this is being consistently done, people will come to praise and enjoy the Shankhu Chakram. Otherwise, the same Shankhu Chakram becomes a menace in the minds. Shanguda Shakkaram Yendum Tadakayyan Pangayak Kannanai. Shriranga Pura Vihara, that song, there a verse comes. Pankajapta Kula Jala Nidhi Somavar Pankaja Mukha Pattabhirama Pad Pankaja Jita Kamaraghu Rama. So, as they said, Pangayak Kannanai, Pankajaksha. You are a Pankajaksha, Padumanabha. So, you are having such beautiful eyes. Pangayak Kannanai, Pade Lorempavai. Why Andal Tayar every now and then emphasizes on singing. If you are known about Navavidha Bhakti, one of the easiest route to reach and approach Paramatman is by Kirtanam. How is that? Nanadai. When we lose the very factor Lajja, then we will get more near towards the Paramatman. To get rid of Lajja, Sankirtanam is the shortest route possible. I would like to share my experience. Recently, I had been to a place called as Tennangur or Tirunangur in Tamil Nadu. A beautiful and like wordless temple, people, and even the surroundings. One must go there to experience the Nada. Namavali is so strong and powerful, it strings our hearts towards the Sankirtanam. So that's why Godadevi, every now and then she says Pade Lorempavai, and that must happen with the Bhava. Only then it works out. Let us do the Anusandhanam of today's Pashuram once again. Ungal Pulakkadai Tottattu Vaviyul Shengal Neer Vainihanda Ambal Vai Kumbinakan Shengal Podikkurai Venpal Tavattavar Tangal Tirukkoyil Shenguduvan Podandar Yengalai Munnam Eluppuvan Vaipeshum Nangai Elundirai Nanadai Navudayai Shanguda Shakkaram Yendum Tadakayyan Pangayak Kannanai Pade Lorempavai. திருவாடிப்புறத்து ஜகத்துதித்தாழ்வாழியே திருப்பாவை முப்பதும் செப்பினாழ்வாழியே பெரியாழ்வார் பெற்றெடுத்த பெண்பிள்ளாய் வாழியே பெரும்போதூர் மாமுனிக்கு பின்னானாழ்வாழியே 143 உரைத்தாழ்வாழியே உயரரங்கற்கே தன்னை உகுந்தளித்தாழ்வாழியே. ஆண்டாள் திருவடிகளே சரணம், உடையவர் திருவடிகளே சரணம், ஆச்சாரியார்ஜியார் திருவடிகளே சரணம்.
Hope all are enjoying Adhyatma Sudha, the spiritual nectar. Priya Bandhu, Be generous. Subscribe, like and share to enlighten. धन्यवाद.